Nti your mama okwasia sa a constitution date now the aba see enquire review no.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
By see enquire review no. And for 5 years in being count no. For who can kind and say you got now a review abam say yeah the BB constitution say man panyin bi obabiano. O make sure say yeah the garbage can ebesisi krom mantamu baabi a ne de emabunu agu bola kama anopatu anwumre omosisa bola no de ebeyama bia ya sisa de ko free yanyi obi asika na kro no mu anit nso to awurawura gata no mako smooth ka koya ne sa ne ewu se onim nyansa ne jai se Jimmy power hungry kwasia power no 2 years na nya nfa so ma so wo si chinchini amisa mepe foforo nka ho kwasia aka 2 years 2 years you can make it happen within less than a year. Ogya say, man kwasiafo no Ferrari ba kusika betumi atobola ka 2 million me donyame. Ferrari dia ne bo afo kra $24 million. Man when na ya adwuma da, kwasia bisa bank manager kra so ya adwuma eco pensions we hu even $1 million da. Ya bisa Ghana ayi say omo maye lawyer for kra maye adwuma gige bribe a so ma hu $500,000 o ma account sum da. E ba say o ba $2 million ka. Onya ska wan ofui. What you say? Oh, yeah, dear Juma, taxpayers' money. And he says, yeah, opa, my money.
Oh, get out. So, Cabra, I found Mitrom. I said, they are not this anyone. A Corwana. USA. From Joe. I see idea. Where Kentucky? US Kentucky. Drainage. Oh, bottom papa. Where US Kentucky? Are you telling me nonsense? You as if you're not Asabajano. Drainage. Mama Vaja drainage. Mississippi. Yeah. Kentucky. Yeah. Even landing flags. You are there talking nonsense. You are there talking nonsense. I'm not going to tell you. What you mommy? When God got upset with mankind, they are not the same. So, when the gods are upset, they are not punishing humanity. The Busa question. Check all the biblical account. And are you? Oh, get me watch you. Whenever the gods are upset, are they already punishing you by a natural disaster? Natural disasters on your job, so And now I'm telling you this. The gods are upset. To the extent of that stuff house in your Friday. Yes, stop off Friday and cars off for no more and crying in Zuramo. Because Zoras off on us for them. Without come cook no water. Jadobrem cook no water. Jadobrem cook no helper.
Because any ensuono that's why it's in fine. Mosha last week at the drip machine baako bedru hanum sei no ofi wagyabawe ene baaye baabi akọ ni free baaye de yanim police ni so nim driver na no wono ne de drip machine ne baaye no wo operate no ono ni betimi a kire baabi akọ ni free baaye o receive call ni wie ya wose yese won fam car ne mra offer drip machine na wode ababa se nwia ne wo kwan ne so no drip machine na enye assembly ne dia drip machine na eye Ghana exika and ye de toye drip machines na ye Ghana japade no wode aba ye Ghana adwuma no assembly obi afrani fi assembly hono mo say offer drip machines ni mramesi office obi me politics wo mi video ya say obi hu me ya bra ne ya mode ya bra ne ya mode endra MTTD officer wobo car ne ho wobo drip machine ne ho and wopa driver na chaw mesrawo sekudi at tuwa bi fi se kwan no both sides nyina block cars no wen wa ha wo mu ntibi twa mo ko ba bi o mo ko MTTD
Numa president Obaye so Obabe solve Ghanaians problem. President Obaye so be creating Numa dia ma youth. President ne baya watem $27 million e dia kwa akoto sanity pad dia be chama nkola. So we a journalist. Na wote. E na wuye a. Ibesi de no man Ghana na nya ne ntuma pafuda. So we a journalist o. Now what's a war fighting for Ghana? Fighting for propaganda. Fighting for personal interest. Fighting for selfishness. And yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the would year 24 hours economy policy? A best then as a market in a Wakaku CSC Kuranaseno. A be contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. What are some more kind? Or say $40 so. Na dollar na wa tesono intime reflected to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso yen twade. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes, hospitals no. Woman nimpa woman beda so. $1 so. Yentua nurses ka. $1 so. Yentua teachers ka. Indidie pa na echere se amambo na NDC bu na ye papa. Die na echere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na ku
also for so partner say when this party. So ne for so be also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my kasa am very calm because mba no mo ye fragile. We catch up plan. Kawano atum. Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any mo boss ko na work ano. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my Ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Temple so when he said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is sure who see that can one etum. When you must say me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a obushwa for okay? Good.
Of Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
That is brother.
if it is, if I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No, he contested.
So for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy Ohina Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy Ohini Ajapong. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes.
Today,
and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. I visited him in Techima when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you.
On my way, just say you nim on my issue. I walk. Kwa sheni ma papa na na dan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia yedema on my way. Any 2024 elections eko and no Dr. Bawumia den and dichire Ghana for me ba we ni we na meya mamona. Busia na ke yensem patadi yensakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. Ese keska no kan kan de wasa botumi wo say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate am say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo. You say enye Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum na nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu na nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu na nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu na nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu na nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu na nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open kokon kete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yan kete ya adwen kete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye kete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kokon kete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open kokon kete. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Addo Dramani ma say o mema us come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E de Addo Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.